I'm here on the 17th green of the Stonehenge Golf Course right here in Tennessee's golf capital, Fairfield Glade, Tennessee. This property is breathtaking and I can't wait to show you around. But first I'm going to introduce you to my colleague, Morgan Scott. He and I are both at the same brokerage, Mountaineer Realty, right here in the Fairfield Glade and Crossville area. And he knows this place like the back of his hand. He's going to share the details about this home that make it a slice of heaven for a golfer. If you love golf, you need to get here and schedule a private showing of this home.
Hi, I'm Morgan. Welcome to 103 Bent Oak Terrace. This home offers luxurious finishes with a maintainable square footage that's not so sprawling you can never keep it clean. But the outstanding feature of this property is this right here. This premier location would appeal to any golfer. This home is situated on the 17th green of Stonehenge Golf Course. Golf Week magazine has ranked Stonehenge Golf Course as the #2 ranked best course you can play in the whole state of Tennessee. Just picture yourself enjoying your morning coffee, looking out over the 17th green, enjoying a beautiful day. Or let's go to breakfast. Stonehenge Grill is walking distance to this home. But before we head out, let me show you the house.
Now that you've seen the video of this home, don't hesitate to text or call Morgan or me. We would love to give you a private tour of this home.